Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are here at Painthill Park, which is a venue in Surrey in the United Kingdom. And it's a venue we've covered multiple times before, as you can see here. However, I do believe it may have shut down since the pandemic. But we can still use this wedding as inspo, and it's for this lovely bride here. So she initially came to us and she said she didn't want any flowers or anything florally, but was more interested in more of a green, forest, enchanted, woodland theme and things of that nature. However, she still wanted to have a pop of red and that Hollywood glam, which she had through the use of her makeup and hair, because at the end of the day, it is a wedding. So for the decor, we got to work with her planner and we started to create this. So, with a few twizzles of the lighting, it then formed this, a more amber effect and less harsh of that purple lighting. So things are starting to take shape as we progress through, and now we'd like to focus a bit more on the head table, which is a long one, and breaking down what we provided for the head table. It includes, we've got this custom head table, a green flower wall, we carpeted the stage, a silk flower runner, green trees, gold mirror matching cake table. All of the things that come to make this stage what it is. And left and right of the dance floor, we positioned our family tables. And these are a great idea to put your nearest and dearest of family and friends, bridesmaids, groomsmen, and anyone that can't fit on the top table. It also works as a great way to adding to the design of the room, especially when you have more than 15 tables. It just breaks it up and adds a bit more of a design element to the room. We provided the charger plates as well as gold cutlery, again adding an element of gold to the tables, which was her colour scheme. Wanting to focus in a bit more detail on these family tables, we install what we like to call our flower bridges, which go up and over the table with hanging glass balls. It can be customised to whatever design you require, from the colours to the types of flowers that you choose. But for this wedding, we kept it in the green and burgundy theme that really captured the Enchanted Forest. We installed artificial green grass floral runner, so the guests were welcome to a bed of grass when they arrived at the table. A great talking point, plus a fantastic feature for photographs and the video. And as you can see, a lot more progress has now been made with the decor, as well as catering. They've now come in and started setting the tables with the glassware and dinner plates. The napkins have been folded, which we provided, and they're a lovely burgundy colour, which adds a pop of colour to the table and to the room. Now we take you back to real life, where you can hear the bride. She comes into the room, she's so happy and ecstatic with the overall decor of the room. Congratulations. Congratulations. You look beautiful, by the way. So it was a lovely welcome that we received, and just to finally taking you back to the wider shot of the room, whereby you can see the mixture of centerpieces. She had the green trees mixed in with the small lower bird cages on the log, and we always advise you coming into the room before the wedding begins, just to get your shots of you with the decor. And just a bit about this sign, the bride's name is actually called Joy, and it's been actual joy working with this bride as well. So you can see the play on words there that they had for the backdrop, which was lovely. And this is the shots that you must make sure you always get before the wedding begins, before guests come in, just the two of you, so you can create these moments together. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be back with a lot more from weddings from 2020 and 2021. This is actually a wedding from 2019. Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below on your thoughts and what you feel about this wedding. Would love to hear from you. And until the very next one, we'll see you there. Thank you once again for watching. And if you are getting married, be sure to give us an email. Write in the comments below and we'll get back to you about your very own wedding.